Hello fellow YouTubers and welcome to Ed's Drafts. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove these pesky nails out of the wall after your standard method, which I was showing you in the previous video, would have failed. And that leaves with this nasty nail in the wall that is quite hard to remove if you don't have the right tools. And usually what that leaves is simply a broken nail in the wall, which for some of you might be perfectly acceptable. For me, it's not. I want to remove them. So my choice of tool in this particular scenario is something like this, which is Vice Grips. And actually they work so well that I kind of wish I didn't show you the last video, which probably will, maybe in some cases will help you, but maybe in some cases actually will waste your time because this thing works so well. So let's get started. So it's quite simple really. What you do is you adjust the vice grips so they would have a decent grip on the nail. You don't need to have too much tension because all we're going to do is rotate it around. Now one thing to note is don't go crazy on this. Don't use vice grips that are too big because it'll give you too much leverage and you're going to break the nail and leave the other part in the wall, which is, again, in my case, not really desirable scenario. Once you hear this, that means it's really moving in the concrete. Just needs a little bit of push. And that's it. That's nail removed. So there you have it, guys. This method actually works so great, right? I was able to remove all these nails in about, I'd say, under half an hour. Not too much effort. The tool is fine, easy enough to use. You basically adjust the grip of the tool by using this. So you can close it more or you can close it less. Very easy to use tool. I haven't used this tool before, by the way. I don't know how I escaped all these years, but I haven't used that before. I knew it existed, but I never really needed such tool for anything else until this came along. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you think this helped you, click the like button. If you have other methods to share other than angle grinder and leaving the nails in the wall, let me know. I'm sure that's going to help others as well. And have a nice day.